Today I want to share with you a traditional recipe, the recipe my grandmother used to cook her meat. She believed all the meat-related diseases originated from the juices of the meat, and for that reason she drained all the juices of her meat before cooking it. I carry with me fond memories of her weird but very inspiring, educative, and motivational stories. We loved to watch her cook and enjoyed her stories by her fireplace. Her stories always sounded unreal. We always had a good laugh at her then fake stories. But as we grow older, they are beginning to make more sense. Her meat passed through many processes before it finally got to the table. First, she would slice it into very thin chunks and place it over the fire to smoke it. The slices would be neatly arranged on a rail over the jiko. The thin slices would ensure proper penetration of smoke and heat to drain all the fluids from the meat. Once done, she would cover it so that the smoke is well absorbed into the meat and to retain the taste and smell of smoke. She would flip the pieces from time to time until the meat was completely dry. And once the fluids were out, there'll only be oil left dripping from the meat. At this stage, she would give us some to taste. The rain is about to fall. I will pick some vegetables from the garden before I complete the cooking. That is just the beginning. We've had a series of hailstorms which has really destroyed the vegetables. So I'm picking most of the leaves to allow new growth. I will mix the spinach with kale. It always has a great taste. We always share the vegetables with the chickens. They love it. And it's always ladies first, even in the animal kingdom. It was always a very simple recipe. No spices, just onions, salt, and tomatoes. But the taste was out of this world. Should then pour in lots of water and let it simmer over around 3 hours. And the result was amazing. Thanks guys for hanging out with me. Bye bye.